Your business is like a car, but here's the truth. Most owners aren't driving. Some are behind the car, pushing hard, sweating just to keep it moving. Some are in the passenger seat, yelling directions, but never actually holding the wheel. And some of you are under the hood, tinkering like a mechanic, rebuilding the engine of a 1998 Skyline, and wondering why everything feels like chaos. These don't come from working longer hours. They come from being the driver. If your best energy goes into chaos, chaos is what you're going to get back. And now the hour of power changes that. It's one block of time where you sit in the driver's seat, hands on the wheel, eyes forward. It doesn't have to be like Dom from Fast and the Furious hitting NOS. Sometimes it's just you in a Toyota Corolla finally steering the right way. Not forever, just for 1 hour. Right now, too many owners are like Mater from Cars. Funny, but always distracted and chasing the wrong thing. And unfortunately, that's not leadership. That's chaos in a costume. You don't need to be Lightning McQueen yelling, "Ka-chow!" You just need to be the one steering. We hear words like, I don't have an hour. Cafes with lines, restaurants open late, bars covering no-shows. It feels like every minute's gone. But if you're pushing a car up the hill, even 20 minutes of steering gets you further than hours of pushing. My market's different. Yeah, so are the road. Some are smooth, some are full of potholes. But if no one's driving, it doesn't matter if you're in a Ferrari or a Corolla, it's still gonna crash. I've tried everything. Cafes switching menus every few weeks, like boosting a car, then dumping in a block later. Restaurants spending on promos, smoke and noise, no distance. Bars swapping staff, tires squealing. The fixes feel fast, but they don't last. Until you protect your time to steer, you're just joyriding in circles with stress, noise, and exact same result. But once they see you steady at the wheel, like Lightning McQueen finally taking that turn, they're gonna follow. So here's my challenge to you. This week, protect 1 hour, turn off the noise, put your hands on the wheel, and then do the same thing next week, and then the week after, and then the week after that. Because I promise you, it might not seem like a lot at first, but that's how momentum starts. Because when you own an hour in your day, you will own the day. So stop pushing from behind. Stop yelling from the passenger seat. Stop tinkering under the hood and finally start driving your business where it needs to go.